Hello, on this video I'll be showing you how to calculate your risk based on percentage. Okay, now we're going to use an example based on $1,000 account, and I recommend risking 1 to 2% maximum. So for this example we'll use 2% risk. So first of all, 2%, 0.02, this represents a single digit, 2%, times 1,000. That's equal to $20. Okay, so 2%, $20 of 1,000, and that's my risk. Okay, so now let's say I want to play this breakout. So my stop loss is 14 pips. I go back to the calculator. $20 is my risk divided by 14 equals $1.40. Well, $1.42, but MT4 only allows 10 cents increments, so it's $1.40. So of course we'll go here, and this would represent $1.40 per pip. So let's do another example. My stop loss, my entry. I want to lose $20 tops. Okay. Risk 29 pips on this one. I go to the calculator. $20 divided by 29 equals 68 cents. Okay, now right here, this is something that we got to readjust something. So 68 cents, 10 cents increments on MT4. We will round it up to the nearest dollar. So therefore, we would do 70 cents. Boom, right here. And that's our order that we would put in. And here you can see you calculate 0.70 cents times 29. So you're only risking 30 cents more. So it's $20.30. So you see your nearest rounding, still leave you safe. Alright, thank you for watching.